All right, and one last part to cover, the Confer Zoom or the virtual office hours. So before we begin that, let me give you just a quick view of a little sketch I made up here. So here's what I'm thinking here. So real quick here for my face-to-face class, my Math 64 class that I teach face-to-face, I have office hours right before class. So there's what I do there. For the online Math 64 class, the one that you're participating in, they're going to have online office hours 1:30 to 2:30 on every Tuesday. So there's that 1 hour that they get. Because you are in the support class, we're going to go with an extra hour on Thursday. So 1 hour on Thursday from 1:30 to 2:30. There's an extra hour there. Then also for the people that are working at night, or working during the day, sorry, just some online office hours at night. So from 9 to 9:30, half an hour session on Mondays, half an hour session on Wednesdays. Hopefully that'll give you some time, if you have kids, to put them to bed and everything else, and then have this time right over here to focus on the math stuff. So during the day, on Thursday, and evening times, 30 minutes each on Mondays and Wednesdays. Hopefully that'll be enough. So let me jam back to here. So how do you go about setting it all up? Here is you're going to click on Confer Zoom. And I have the teacher side of things, so mine's going to look a little different from yours. And I'm not sure if it's just going to be an event that's placed on here. It's going to say office hours, and then you click on it and you're in. Or I'm going to have kind of like just appointments that you set up. Now these appointments are going to be in blocks of like 1 minute each, but I don't want you to come in a half an hour later. Come in at that time, and then we'll go from there. So this one has like blocks of one minute each, so you can say, oh, I'm going to come in, but I really just want you to come in at 1:30. So we're going to answer all the questions, and then we're done from there. All right. So you should just look at something that's right here on your schedule. You should sort of see it. You should be able just to click on it. Once you click on it, you're in this little virtual room that looks like a whiteboard, and you are ready to go with some questions. Alright, hopefully that makes sense. So that two button, and there should be a link right here when this is all set up and going. I should have everything all set up by Monday late afternoon. It should be all set up right here. So hopefully see you in the office hours, hopefully answer your question. It is going to be a virtual whiteboard. Say I have to be actually doing something because it doesn't let me in just as a teacher. I have to have office hours and students present to enter into it. So I might do a little video just kind of show you what it's like. But it's really a virtual white screen. And then you have a little chat window on the side, and then you can talk to me. So if you have a microphone that's connected to your computer, please bring that. Or otherwise, give me the exact section that you're having trouble with and the exact same problem. And I can hopefully maybe just share my screen, and we can be on the same problem, and I can actually do the problem. So we'll figure out the best way to do it as well. All right. Anyways, I'm so glad you're in this course. Hopefully this will help you through the course. I figure a virtual whiteboard probably the best to sort of go through the problems that we have trouble with.